Welcome back, Bergtopians. Burkle here with Big Dog Charters in beautiful Lafayette, Louisiana. Stay tuned to see this Bergtopian adventure and many more.
Look at you, man, right by the boat.
Oh, hold it. Oh.
Look at that. Beautiful flower. That is a gorgeous flower. You lucky dog, you.
Look at that.
You lucky dog.
That's a nice one,
That's
too.
A beautiful flower to me. Yep. He's lucky that get it anchored in the corner over there. I'll let you get a picture with it.
That'll be a good picture.
Yep. I think you got the first crab.
Yep.
I think you're right. He's caught a flounder, a drum, redfish.
He's going for all the species. Oh, that's a blue crab. Oh.
Get you a sheephead and a trout, you done got everything you get out here. Yeah, you know they got one around you when you see that water nervous like that.
Oh.
You saw the minnows just real nervous, man.
Ooh.
Nice fish. That might be one of the better ones there. I think this is my fish is, yeah, so far I think this is the biggest one for sure. Wow. Yep. There we go. Nice. Come here, Lucky. And he hit that thing.
That was a good one.
Give him the hook too. Can you pass me those scissors? Nice.
I knew there was something over here. Woo!
Starting around and finally got him hit. He's acting like a crab there. The guy's going really well.
Yep. That was.
Chewed it up.
He did. He got her.
I gotta say, I'm impressed, man. He's got a phone on his hand, camera on his shoulder, and he catches the crap out of it. I couldn't do it. I'm not that damn coordinated.
1990. Kieran 1998 says, "What's your favorite fish to catch?"
Bass. Any fish, really. Oh.
Going behind you, you saw that. That's good. Medicine.
Got him. I was waiting.
Oh, the drum or the goal? That's a little red.
Yep. He came back for it. I see my bobber go.
I thought it was real dark when he came out. Little fella.
Little stubborn shit.
Took him long enough to get you out of here. It might be a tough one when he gets older.
Yep. But yeah, we're with Big Dog Charters. We take them out every year.
For the hell of it, I'm going to go back. Okay. Little guy?
Yep. A little smaller than the other one.
Look at you. One of them days where y'all can't do nothing wrong, guys. Fish are eating.
It's a different pattern every time, though.
Yep.
They're not hitting the same patterns, but that's when you just make up your own.
Beautiful fish, man. They are fat. I don't know what they're eating.
Yeah, they're fat. That's for sure.
Good, that's for sure.
Oh, nice cast, though. You're just reeling with me?
You hit it dead center. Could do that again if we tried. Oh, you got some, yeah, you got one. Saw another one. I saw a tail over there too.
Little guy.
Yep.
Little guy's got to eat too.
Oh yeah, little one.
What if I could snake y'all around and you can cast in that skinny stuff? Let me try. There you go. Little fella.
Yep. Little one.
You hit it good.
Here's the hole, chat. You'll get to see all of them now. Got some really good ones in there. There you go, chat. There's some big ones.
Right on the end. Good picture right there, really good. You like me to take on one of your phones?
Yeah.
You want yours and then?
Yeah, I can use mine.
Just right. Enjoyed the hell out of having
Thank
y'all.
you.
That was a
We'll be
great
back.
day. Yeah. Awesome day.
Thank you for watching this Bergtopian adventure. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more adventures.